Hi, now I'm trying to teach you how to create a professional YouTube channel with your smartphone. First of all, I have to go on QB browser here, and then I'll go to YouTube. You can do it with your desktop. Then I'm gonna I'm go on channel icon, and here I'll go setting. Look at here, add or manage your channel. After that, here you won't found any channel. I have created a 3 channel. That's why you're showing. You just click create a channel. Now you will add here a channel name and okay it. Just create and submit here and phone number here. Select your country. I select my country, Bangladesh. Now press the phone number. Continue. OTP is coming. Just copy it and paste here. Continue. Taking a bit time. It's a bit different from creating YouTube channel with your YouTube app. That's not professional, but if you want to create a professional YouTube channel, you have to follow this. Okay, it is created. Now I'm gonna my channel, clicking here, switch account, Riyad Lingdao. This is our channel which I created now, and we will customize it. For more professional, we have to use logo and cover art. Go customize channel. Branding. Upload a photo. Banner image. Upload. Select. It is done. Now basic info. Name. You have to change YouTube handle because creating a professional YouTube channel, you have to change it. Yeah, that's the professional way. Red Lingdao is not available. It has already used someone. So I'll here. Yeah, that's fine. Now we have to write a description, and the description would get much better because it presents your channel. You can say here welcome to my channel. Riyad, Lingdao. Use some hashtag for ranking your channel like that. Okay, now you have to change your channel URL here. Okay, channel URL we will change from our YouTube app. Here you need a email address for contact with you. It is almost done. Now publish. Oh, I missed a point. Here link. You can add here your website link or your Facebook link. I'm adding my Facebook link. Here title. Paste the URL here. That's all. And if you want, you can add language, original language, translated language. I have no needed. Okay, see what is it. My original language is, click English. Select language. Click and channel description. Welcome to my channel. New channel. Let's see it. Nice. Now I'm gonna YouTube app. Click here and manage account. This is the channel. Your channel, and now we'll edit it. No, there's no need edit anything. It's totally okay. Name Riyad Lingdao, handle Riyad Lingdao 01, and the channel URL is customized. Keep all subscribers private or not. Okay, totally fine. Thanks for watching.